Good evening, WBB webstars from TURK, Fatih Tutak, Istanbul. So, now we're gonna prepare a dish which is the baby mackerel with smoked eggplants and ebru, which is ebru is Ottoman art. So we're gonna play around. So what we do now first, we smoke the eggplants. We stuff with the mackerel tartar and anchovy and some sun-dried tomato. So this is a tomato molasses that we made in house. It's a reduction of tomato. It's give a nice flavor. So then I put my mackerel on top of this. One more time. Season with this.
Evet, geri geldi. 4 levrek var. Neyse.
So, some lemon zest.
4 tuzu var.
So, pick up the plate. Then Turkish caviar. Black oscietra caviar. With the caviar on top. This caviar comes from Adana. Then this is a horseradish with chilies. So it's like a wasabi, but it's punchy. So I make a small piece here. So, and now, this one is grilled a couple of chilies and also tomato during the day, and then we compress, then we extract the juice, and inside we put anchovy garum and just a little bit. So we add the sauce into plate. And now, not least, we have a couple of different oils. I make you a oil show. This is a purple basil oil. Yeah. This is isot oil, which is a kind of a special pepper, come from Urfa. It's like fermented chili. So we made oil, smoked oil out of it. As we have now summer season, we have been using a lot of tomato and peppers. So the next one is olive oil from I will give nice balance to the dish. The last one is dill oil. You know, this art is very known by Ottoman, you call ebru art. So you paint on a water. So, and then you remove the paper, then you have Ottoman art. So what I'm gonna do now, so this is the ebru, so we move around. Here you go. So we do this on the table. That's the ebru. Enjoy.